All right, welcome back. Very, very wonderful Friday night today, B. And we still get Chief Adewale Ayuba inside the studio. Yes.
We need soundtrack.
You know what I actually like? Watching that Happy People video. How you feel when you watch yourself back in the days?
So happy, yeah, it's very good. We thank God for the people that works on that video. I like it.
Which kind of dance step with that? As in,
of course, that is then, you know. There's a Bonsue style.
Which one is
Of course,
style?
yeah, all my album, like Ijo Fuji, Larry, he has his own dance.
Different style.
I always make sure I put different style.
Wow. So looking at, because Betiana, when we go on the break, Betiana talks, say you don't actually get like 15, more than 15 awards.
27.
27 awards. Now, when you look your awards, you look your cupboard of awards where you don't receive, you still feel, say, you get some awards where you never still get?
Yes, so.
Really? With 27?
As in?
Internationally, you know.
Okay.
You want to do things beyond your nation now.
Like which ones? Let me know. I know.
Like Grammy.
Yes.
Yes, that's the Grammy.
That's the highest now.
And it's coming soon.
Amen.
It's coming soon.
I don't get the African one. I remain
the Obodo one. And they must give you.
Yes, so.
But now, I want to find out, any of your children don't signify interest in music?
All of them sing very, very well.
Wow. But professionally?
They are still in school, I don't know, but they love music.
And if anyone decides tomorrow, say, you know what, Daddy, I want to sing, or you go back the person up, full support.
Of course.
In fact, now go feature each other.
They are not bastard now. You quickly do collabo right away.
Talking about collabo, now, which Nigerian artist you go like feature? Now, we know say you don't do one with Vector. Which other person you feel say, okay, you go on make them day for inside your song?
I like a lot of like lady singers. Tiwa Savage, she's very good. Alade.
Yemi Alade.
Yemi, she's very good. So people like that, and so Olamide, my brother, Bado, a lot of them.
A lot of them.
Yeah.
Yes. I would like to see a song with Olamide and Chief Ayuba.
And even Yemi Alade.
Yes, and Yemi Alade.
And Yemi Alade. She go bring it that African dance step. She's good too. She's good. Now, we could actually talk about social media and how it actually affects a lot of relationship. What do you think about how people need to leave their relationship away from Facebook, Instagram, and the rest of them?
You see, I will say this. Even if you don't marry, you have your husband for house. Be careful of posting your pictures. Because when you post, it goes to millions, trillions of people, and you don't know what's in there for their mind. One have to be very, very careful. God tell us, they make we cover ourselves at least. So it's good like that. That's it. Social media, it has its own positive side. If you want to promote your work, of course, but yourself, what are you selling? What? You see, me, I'm into social media because of the kind of job I do.
Yeah, you do.
That's it. But it's not meant for a lot of people. So people, if you don't have anything doing for public,
yeah. Now, apart from saying they actually affect your relationship, they affect even without you posting pictures online. Now, imagine say you're on Facebook or Instagram 24/7, your time. You don't take your time too from your partner. Even romantic jealousy.
Yes.
Right now, you're married to your
I can't lie to you now. A lot of women now say men too. 24/7, they are on their phone.
Yeah, I'm a victim.
They don't take care of their children. No, I won't lie to you. They don't. They forget that when you put your mind in something, you don't have brain to do another thing anymore. You forget about your career, wasting time just for do I look beautiful? This. You can hook with it just like that.
It's very
without you know.
And sometimes now I'm but just to see what other people they do.
Make I see what happened to Olamide last week. You don't carry.
I know person burn food for fire all because she did on Facebook. And then she put them on Facebook. Say, can you imagine? I just burned my soup because they Facebook.
And you still come back to.
And you still come back to Facebook to tell
people wake up now. The first thing they do is to take their phone.
Very true.
Before it's for you to kneel down and say thank God.
Yeah.
Now is if care is not taking you, forget that you never pray. That's how
they actually control themselves.
It's just determination that do this thing, you not kill me, you not ruin me. If you don't get that anchor, can you browse? That's it.
Very true. Yes. I know a person will talk say the best way for you to avoid being an addict, maybe just stay off data for, let's say, like a week.
That is it.
Like those who not even know an addict they be, stay off data, let's say for a week. Now then you know that you.
So after you don't find out,
you try to adjust. Then you actually try to adjust.
I agree.
Now, apart from the fact that we get Chief Adewale Ayuba inside the studio, we still get video where they trend on Instagram. Let's see it coming from Nkechi.
Here again. Nkechi don't turn another thing entirely for on top social media. Now, even on Sunday for church, I just hear a person they talk say, the thunder! I can't look and say, what's happening now, even for inside church. As in, the guy don't turn another thing, totally.
You need to actually follow him on top Instagram and do Wazobia FM. Because the guy, I don't even understand the thing they actually turn himself into. But not true. Ladies, you never marry. You go person wedding. You go carry the meeting up for the wedding. They discuss with your friends.
They do analysis.
The food where they actually sell. You don't see the thing not sweet. See even the dress that she wear. This is dress not fine. Not see one way a groom wear. Why do we do that?
But you know another thing, they say those people they always want crowd for their wedding. Now they talk from time immemorial. I don't need crowd for my wedding. Now when you decide say you won't call all a sundry, oh you must come because my wedding must be talk of the town. Oh you sell a should be 25K. You sell you say the cake must be 1 million naira. People go talk because you don't already give them avenue to talk. So then go talk.
So let's play Happy People remix.
Yeah.
Don't you like it?
I love it. I know if you just like him. I love him.
But why you decide to do remix with Happy People out of all your music? Why Happy People? Why you decide to do remix with Happy People?
I'm still going to do Ijo Fuji remix.
Oh, okay. Me too.
No.
But when you do Ijo Fuji, we need to be the first people to know.
No problem.
We need to be the first people to know.
I can't wait. So, Bethany, tell us your celebrity crush for today.
Okay.
Oh.
My celebrity crush for today, and a person maybe say I don't love him long time. Not be yesterday, like we crush. She could just wake up say, okay, I like this person. Me, I did very loyal with my likeness. Now then they call him Majid Michael, and I know him since the time of Things We Do for Love when he played the part of Shaker, and that particular role make me fall in love with him. He won the 2012 African Movie Academy Award for the Best Actor in a Leading Role. Now this person why they talk about, he don't star in different movies. Na Ghanaian actor, even though say in Papa na Lebanese man. So if you don't say you want hottie, very hot man like this,
hot,
as your pikin. Just marry a Lebanese man. Marry Lebanese man. And you go born fine pikin like this. Now, in they associated with the United Nations Secretary Kofi Annan. Both of them attend Mfantin Sipim School. And then in family life, now say a papa, a Lebanese man, marry a Ghanaian woman, and then raise them, then born and raise them for inside Accra. He get 9 siblings. And he marry Verna Michelle, and then get 2 children where they call Zara and Kira. And the only thing where they hold me from Majid, and I say he don't marry. And they respect marriage. So I go just like him from a distance.
Majid, this girl love you. I really don't understand.
I don't understand.
You love him because saying fair or because saying they act?
It's
because I know say girls are money.
If he stop to the act, I go still love him. If he decides to black, I go still love him. I don't know.
She actually really loves you, like too much. Too much,
and
Majid.
I follow him on Instagram. He did not come and follow me back. But it's fine.
All right, so sorry, sir. Your final words to people where they are there, especially Fuji artists, Fuji upcoming artists.
Yes, I thank all my fans because them take me to this level. Without them, there's no Ayuba. So I'm so proud to be a Fuji singer. And if I come to this live again, I go do Fuji again because that's the only thing I can show international people that I say I'm from Nigeria. So for the new artists that want to go into music, now number one thing be say go to school, the education, that one are light for you. So that's it. So after that, believe in your own culture. Yes, believe say you be Nigerian. So any day, any time. So that is important.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So last week, Bettiana actually dared me. Sorry, sir, you go actually dare as I dare her. Because last week she dared me say I must come on my wig on national
You know they
TV.
forget something.
No, I cannot. Because we do daring every Friday. So, sir, sorry, just if you close your eyes because I want to actually dare her.
Oh my God.
Before we leave the studio today, I dare you to take off your shirt.
What's happening?
I don't care. Take off your shirt.
This is a prime time
Excuse me.
TV.
No.
Listen.
No, if you're not going to take off your shirt, give me 5,000 naira.
You know, like 10,000. This is a family show.
Oh, stop giving me
children
this.
are watching this show. Uwi.
Take off your shirt. I know you are ready to say Uwi
made me do this. I'm not going to give her my money.
Take off your shirt. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, Sasa. Thank you. We actually enjoy you in the studio. Thank you to Bettiana. Now God save you.
Join us next time because we dare go bad.
Now God save you, say you invest something on that. If not, I was ready for you.
My God is a Christian.
All right, we're going to need to actually say bye-bye right now. Join us again on Monday for more exciting time on Talk as we only the talk.
To talk not a bad thing, but make you know what you talk about.
We are happy people. We make you happy. We are HAPPY. PEOPLE.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.